Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Smith from Backbench Coder. So I'm back with another interesting project. This is a file sharing project made with MERN stack. So the backend is made using Node and Express. In the front end, I'm using Next.js, which is a React.js framework. For the database, of course, we are going to use MongoDB. And lastly, the whole project is wrapped with TypeScript. I love TypeScript. Okay, so let me just quickly show you the project. As you can see, this is a very simple user interface. The headline is "Got a file, share it like fake news." And then I have this drop-down component. So currently you can only share this JPEG, PNG and MP3 type of files, but this is not a limitation. I have not just implemented that. You can surely implement this for any type of files, okay? So let me just drag and drop, or I can just click on this. Let's just select this MP3 file, this sound effect, click on open, and that's it. Click on upload, and the file is uploaded. Look at this. I have the details of the file. This is an MP3 file and the size is 0.01 MB. I have this message, great, the file is uploaded. Share this link with your friend, and then you can just copy this link if you click on this button. So copy the link and then just open a new tab. Let me just open a new tab and put it here. Cool. So from this page I can download the file. So click on this download and look at this. I have this file here. Let me just open this. And that's it. Just 1 second of sound. Anyway, look at this. You can also send the link through the email. So here just put your email. Let's say code.sumax@gmail.com, and then put the receiver's email here. So let me just copy another email, use and throw email. So just copy this and go here, put it here and click on email, and the email is sent. Let's just go back to our Gmail and refresh this. Look at this. I got my file. So from here I can also download. So click on this download. Go to download page, sorry. And then just click on download and it will be downloaded. Look at this. Fine. It seems like a small project, but you will get a solid idea about the MERN stack and Next.js with TypeScript. Oh, we are also going to deploy the project. Look at this. This is hosted on sharefile.vercel.app. So the frontend will be hosted in Vercel and the backend will be hosted in Heroku. Well, the concept of this project has come from the channel Padega India and Coders Gang. So if you want to make this project with HTML, CSS and Vanilla JavaScript, please check out those videos. But those tutorials are in Hindi, so if you are from India or you understand the language Hindi, you can check that out. I'll also put the links of those videos in the description box. Okay, so that's it for now. I know I'm missing something, but we are gonna surely cover that in the series. So see you in the next part. Bye.